Hi everybody. Yogurt is amazing for you. It's full of probiotics, calcium and vitamins. But have you ever looked at the price of yogurt and compared it to milk? This type of yogurt cost me $6.49 at Costco today. When you compare it to the price of milk, this milk is again from Costco and it cost me $2.16. So if I wanted to buy a gallon of yogurt, it would cost me more than $11. So 5 times more than milk. And yogurt, as I said, is just milk that's been fermented. You put some yogurt culture in it and it turns into yogurt. So why not make it at home? And making yogurt is one of the easiest things in this world. It only takes 5 minutes of our time, and in this video, I'll show you how to make yogurt so you don't have to spend 5 times more on yogurt. First, we heat our milk. We'll heat it to 180 degrees, or we'll let it boil for a few minutes, but we will heat the milk to kill the bacteria. That's it. All right, it's almost boiling temperature. And as you can see here, we are at 185 degrees. 180 degrees, so we turn it off and let it cool down until 110 degrees. Put it aside so that it can cool down now. So I've let the milk cool down to 110 degrees. It's lukewarm. I will take a couple spoons of yogurt from my previous batch. I made this yogurt myself. So I'm adding some milk to dilute it so it becomes soft. Mix this. So we use the yogurt as our culture. The enzymes in this yogurt, the bacteria, the healthy bacteria that turns this into a probiotic. I mix that and add it to our milk. As I said, milk has to be warm. That's all there is to making yogurt. You add a previous batch of yogurt to your warm milk, mix that milk beautifully. If you want, you can also add dry yogurt culture. These are available on Amazon. There are different brands. The brand doesn't matter. This is dry yogurt culture. You can open this, add it to the milk. We'll do the same thing, or just add yogurt that you brought from the grocery and mix it. Once you have mixed it, you just need to cover it. I don't put a lid on it because we don't want condensation happening. The condensation will drop onto the yogurt and we don't want any water accumulating there. So we just cover it with cloth, let it wait overnight. So it has to stay warm so that the bacteria can do its job, the enzymes can do their job. We leave it like this and then we chill it. We put it into the fridge in the morning. We don't touch it for 24 hours after doing this. So tomorrow night or the second day, you can start eating it. So we left it outside overnight. And here you can see, this is our yogurt. We won't be touching it right now. I'll put it in the fridge. So that's it. For the price of 1 tub of Costco yogurt, you can make 3 gallons of your own yogurt and it will be 5 times cheaper. So I'll show you how good my yogurt is. Look at this. Again. Look. And enjoy it plain or with some walnuts and blueberries, my favorite. enjoy. And please like and share. That's it. Love it.